a volcano experiment.
This is our volcano that we made. Do you guys like it? So we painted it. What do you guys think? Does it look beautiful?
Leave it in the comments below if you like it. You can actually make a different volcano with different materials. So you can do it with a toilet roll and a cup. So you cut a hole in the bottom of the cup right here. And then if you have a toilet roll, then put that toilet roll inside the cup like this. And then if you have a bowl, place the cup and the toilet roll inside the bowl. And then you can use food coloring and vinegar and baking soda. Red food coloring to make it like red hot lava to make it an amazing explosion.
It's gonna erupt. It's gonna be so cool.
Now we are going to show you how to make your volcano erupt. So you use a funnel and you put it at the top of the volcano, which is called a crater. And then that's what you use to put your baking soda in. So my sister's gonna pour it in. Be careful. Don't pour it too fast.
Because it might spill. That's nice.
So now I'm going to put 2 drops of red food coloring inside the vinegar.
Put it in 2 drops.
2.
Now we're
Close it.
okay. Now we're gonna mix it up.
Mix it in. So it's gonna be like red hot lava exploding out of the volcano.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Maybe show the kids.
What do you guys think? Looks like potion.
Looks like potion. Wizard potion.
Yeah.
Hey, Gabby, are you ready for it to pour?
Yeah. So you're gonna pour it, okay? Okay. Looks like a coffee. It's like a red coffee.
Yeah. Lava coffee.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Are you so excited for it to explode?
Whoa! Watch out! Watch out!
So cool.
Whoa! Whoa! It's exploding!
Wow! This is like what happened years and years ago. Millions of years ago, volcanoes erupted, like Mount Tambora. Mount Tambora is a huge volcano that stopped summer. It stopped summer. No one could play. It was called the year without a summer. Did you guys like our volcano eruption? An eruption is a sudden explosion of the hot vapor and gas inside a volcano. Lava is a super hot, thick liquid with a temperature of more than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It is very important for you not to go close to a volcano or a sandstorm because you can get pneumonia ultramicroscopic volcanosis, which means a lung disease caused by inhaling ash or dust. It's volcano jokes time! What did the volcano say to another volcano on Valentine's Day?
What is it?
I love you!
It's my turn! Knock knock.
Who's there?
Volcano.
Volcano who?
Volcano about to erupt.
That's funny. But a volcano already erupts!
Thank you for watching. watching our videos. Please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and give us a big thumbs up.